This is my presentation for my $100 challenge project. The business that I chose was photography, and my business name was JK Photography. I provided services for families that wanted pictures of their children or family portraits. How it was born. I was already providing photography services for free to friends and family, so I felt that this was the next step. I already had a few people asking for photo shoots, and they said they would be willing to pay to have them done. I already had the equipment and the knowledge, so I took the leap and made my business a reality. I provided a 1-hour photo shoot, and they would receive their photos within a week. There wasn't a limit on the amount of photos that they received. It just depended on how well the photo shoot went, how many images they would receive. They received all their images in digital format so that they could take them wherever they wanted to, and they accessed them through a website that they could download to their computers or even send to their relatives to download. This is me doing some of my business. My marketing strategy started out with Facebook and yard sale sites, but that didn't actually turn out to be very productive. So I began talking to people in the community, and this is where my business actually started taking off. I my first portrait session was done for a friend who needed family portraits done, and after that I started to get calls from others that wanted their family portraits done as well. So it was $50 per session is what I charged, and I made the cost per session was for editing and for travel time. So my total profit per session was $40. I was able to do 4 sessions over the weeks that we were doing the project. I had a total revenue of $200 and I profited $160. I did run into some problems, however, not every photo shoot went exactly as I had planned. Because I was doing outdoor and on-site photography, I could not control the weather or the lighting. My first photo shoot was a difficult one, and I ended up offering them a retake. The second shoot went much smoother. I was able to resolve some of the lighting issues with some reflectors that I already had on hand, and that helped solve that problem with the sun being too bright. And the rest of my photo shoots went much better. Here's some examples of my work. This was one of the ones that had too much lighting. This was a photo shoot I did for an aunt for a surprise for Christmas, and that's something else I used to market, as I marketed with the Christmas season coming up that they could have Christmas presents for their families. Another family photo shoot that I did with their old Cadillac. That was fun. What does the future hold? I plan on expanding my service to indoor photography. This will help alleviate some of the issues that I had with the lighting. I'm also planning on offering more comprehensive photo shoots. Right now I was only offering the 1 hour, kind of like a longer mini shoot. And I would love to expand the amount of props that I have, and maybe a little bit better equipment as far as like lighting and things like that. All right, thanks for watching.